How to send message in TikTok Lite. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can send message in your TikTok Lite app. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded TikTok Lite application in your mobile device. Once you do so, tap open your app and get logged into your account. At this page, you will see inbox section from your bottom right. Tap onto it, and here it will show you all of the messages. Tap on any friends that you would like to message, and at this page you can send them any messages that you would like. And after you see the send option just below your text, it means that message has been sent to the respective person. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, do comment down below. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this.